What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how to start making some extra cash online from home. Now this is actually really simple. Most people can do this and you don't need much experience either. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how to make money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, how are we actually going to be making this extra cash? Well, it's pretty simple. The website we're going to be using is called microworkers.com. Now I will leave a link for this down in the description below so it's easier for you to go and check out. So with micro workers you earn money by doing micro jobs. So if we scroll down just a little bit, you can see all the different types of jobs that you can do on this website. Tagging an image, evaluate people's personalities, evaluation of surprising products, demographic survey. There's so many different micro jobs that you can apply for. Now it's really easy to sign up. All you do is go to register. Just let that load for a second. Then if we scroll down, obviously you're going to have to fill in all this information. But if we scroll down here, you can select your country of residence. Now as you can see, there's multiple different countries on here. So you would have to have a little look through, see if your country is on here and see if you can apply for the website and start making that extra cash. So once you've actually signed up, you can go to jobs. Now jobs is right up here on the left hand corner. So once you click that, you can check out all these different types of jobs that you can do. Now as you can see, they don't pay much at all. This one's 10 cents, 76 cents, sorry. 34 cents, 75 cents. Now, bear in mind, most of these jobs here literally don't take long at all. You can do these jobs within a couple of minutes. And because they only take a matter of minutes to do each micro job, you can really stack up your money really quick. So let's take an example of this. So, Facebook like. How long would that take? Not long at all, and you get 45 cents. A website visit plus screenshot, that would literally take a couple of minutes, and you get 15 cents. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ones that you can do. And over here on the right hand side is how many spots are available left for that little job. So as you can see, 11 have already been done, and there's 11 out of 30, so there's still spots available for that one. 2 out of 33, 3 out of 30. I mean, look at this one. YouTube search plus watch plus like. You get 34 cents. How long would that take? Not long at all. Now, with micro workers, you can get your payments in multiple different options. So if we just go over to the back section for a second. Now, as you can see here, so how and where do I get paid? You need to earn at least $9 plus fees. Their payment methods, okay, are PayPal, Skrill, Money Bookers, or local funds, transfer via TransPay and Payoneer. So if you're in a country that you can't get PayPal, then you can use Payoneer. That's one thing I do like about this website, is that you have multiple payment options. So payments to workers are sent twice a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. And if you're using a bank transfer via TransPay, it could take 3 to 5 banking days. So come over here. I'm going to leave it in the description below. Come through, check it out, see what you think. Again, the link is in the description below. But this is a real easy way just to start racking up some money. As you can see, look, this one. Blogs, websites, 100 words plus link to iOS app, $2.50. So that's not that bad really, is it? So all you would need is a couple of these ones like $2, $1, a few 50 cents, a few 20 cents, and it soon adds up pretty quick. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.